Making sense of your morning. Mastering the art of applying deodorant in English. Hello, everyone. Today we're going to talk about a crucial part of our daily routine, personal hygiene. Specifically, we're focusing on a very important step, applying deodorant. It's not just about smelling good, but feeling fresh and confident all day long. So, let's dive in and explore the language you can use when talking about this essential routine. Deodorant is a product we use to reduce body odor caused by the bacterial breakdown of perspiration in parts of the body such as the armpits. Not only does it make you smell good, but it also makes you feel clean and fresh. So, if someone asks, "Why do you apply deodorant?" you could answer, "I apply deodorant to stay fresh and reduce body odor." Did you know there are different types of deodorants? Yes, you might have a favorite, but it's good to know the vocabulary for all of them. Roll-on deodorant. A liquid product that you apply by rolling a ball at the top of the bottle. Spray deodorant. A product you apply by spraying it onto your skin. Stick deodorant. A solid product that you apply by rubbing it onto your skin. So, if you're sharing your routine, you might say, "I prefer using a roll-on deodorant in the morning because it doesn't leave any white marks on my clothes." Finally, let's talk about the phrases we use when actually applying deodorant. This is a pretty straightforward process, but here's how you could describe it. 1. First, I take off the cap. 2. Next, I hold the deodorant to my underarm. 3. Then, I apply it evenly. 4. Finally, I put the cap back on and store the deodorant safely. These phrases can help you narrate your actions in English. And that wraps up our discussion on applying deodorant. Remember, it's all about staying fresh, feeling confident, and mastering the English vocabulary to talk about your routine. So, the next time you're discussing personal hygiene, you'll have all the right words to use. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.